Compressor Selection by Service, API 617, 6118, 619, 6172, explained. Welcome back to 3D Decode, your home for engineering, compressors, piping systems, and 3D learning. In today's video, we're decoding one of the most important topics in rotating equipment design. How to select the right compressor based on process service. We'll cover compressor families, duty envelopes, thermodynamic sizing, API standards, and practical selection workflow. Let's begin. Part 1. Compressor Selection by Service. Selecting the correct compressor isn't guesswork. It depends on 4 core process inputs: pressure ratio, PR, flow rate, gas composition, operating envelope. Matching these correctly ensures performance, reliability, and capital efficiency. Part 2. Compressor families and where they excel. Each compressor family has a defined duty envelope. Let's break down the major types. Centrifugal compressors, API 617, best for large flows, moderate to high pressure ratios, require anti-surge control, use dry gas seals API 692, integrated with API 614 lube oil system. Integrally geared compressors, API 672, best for clean air and gas service, very compact footprint, excellent turndown capability, multi-pinion arrangement with inlet guide vanes, ideal for air separation and refrigeration. Reciprocating compressors, API 618, for very high pressure ratios, small to medium flows, multi-stage with intercooling, requires pulsation analysis and bottles. Screw compressors, API 6119, medium flow, low moderate PR. Oil-flooded types can handle wet gas, liquid slugs, very robust in challenging services. Axial compressors, API 617, ultra-high volumetric flows, very small PR per stage, used in blast furnaces, air separation, large industrial gas plants. Diaphragm compressors, specialized, hermetically sealed, best for toxic, corrosive, or ultra-clean gases, extremely high pressures at very low flows, used in laboratories and specialty chemical plants. Part 3. Duty envelope decision cues. 01. Pressure ratio and suction flow. High PR plus low flow, reciprocating. Large flow, moderate PR, centrifugal. 2. Liquid entrainment risk. Liquids dangerous for centrifugal. Use knockout drums or choose screw reciprocating for slug tolerance. 03. Oil-free requirement. Choose dry gas seal centrifugal or dry screw. Avoid oil-flooded screws where purity is critical. 04. Turndown capability. Processes needing 30% turndown benefit from API 672 integrally geared compressors, or use IGVs, VSDs, recycle loops. Part 4. Quick thermodynamic calculations. Your workbook helps compute polytropic head, shaft power, recommended compressor family, stage count estimation, tabs included, selection results, quick polytropic, stage estimator. The polytropic head equation is used to estimate ideal power and realistic sizing. Part 5. Mini knowledge check. Let's test your understanding. Q1. PR equals 18. Flow equals 5,000 mph. Oil-free. No liquid. Which compressor do you select? Answer. Centrifugal API 617. Q2. Why are liquids dangerous for centrifugal compressors? They cause erosion, surge, blade damage, and two-phase instability. Q3. Hydrogen-rich gas, MW 10. Per body pressure ratio? Use around 2.3 per stage. Q4. 2 critical API 618 integration items? Pulsation bottles, foundation isolation, and valve selection. Part 6. Interview Q&A, core selection logic. Q. Centrifugal versus reciprocating. First metric. Pressure ratio plus flow. When choose API 672 over 617? When compact footprints, high turndown is required. Q. How to handle wet gas service, knockout drums, or oil-flooded screw compressors. Part 7. Practical workflow, selection process. Step-by-step flow. Step 1. Define inputs. Gas composition, P1T1, P2, flow, MW, K, Z, contaminants. Step 2. Review automated results. System recommends compressor type, API standard, stage estimate. Step 3. Validate power use polytropic calculator to verify shaft power plus efficiency. Step 4. Identify integration requirements based on API 614, 6118, 6192, etc. Step 5. Prepare RFQ package. Include duty parameters, selected family, auxiliary systems. Part 8. Key takeaways. Match compressor to duty envelope. PR plus flow defines the sweet spot. Use structured calculation tools. Always verify polytropic sizing and stage count. Specify complete package. Include seals, lubrication, controls, auxiliaries, as per API. If you want more videos on compressor design, lube oil systems, seal systems, and rotating equipment engineering, subscribe to 3D Decode, like, share, and comment which compressor topic you want next.